Hey friends, if you are thinking about buying those cheap Windows activation keys which are available on Amazon and other websites, then beware. I'll guide you through the reasons why you shouldn't buy them. Now, the first one is that it could be a key that doesn't work at all. So they are going to charge, they may charge $5 or $10 and you think that it's worth. But basically, these keys are mostly volume licensing keys and they may have already been used. So if they're already used, they will not work on your computer. So you may be buying a key that is not going to work and you cannot do anything about it. I mean, who will you complain to? Microsoft has not approved this. So there's no one you can complain to about this. Then the key may work for a limited period of time. And again, the reason is that these are either volume licensing keys or they are OEM keys or it was purchased as a scam, but they may just work for a limited period of time. The next reason is the most important one. They may have been purchased from a credit card scam. So, if they are purchased from a credit card scam, here's what happens. Now, Microsoft will sell them the keys. The guy from who you bought these keys, but these keys will stop working after a while when Microsoft finds out about the credit card scam. Either that scam will be solved or the key will not work, and most probably the key will not work if it's a genuine retail key, if it's not an OEM key, if it's not a volume licensing key. Then how can you get it for $5? I mean, there's no way you can get it for $5. And if you are getting it for $5, it simply means that the guy has either scammed it or is scamming you. The next is that it is might be an OEM key instead of a retail one. So OEM and volume licensing keys have this thing that they are bound to a machine or a network or a domain and are non-transferable. So what does this mean? This means that okay, it will work with your computer and maybe the volume licensing license is still active, so it may work on your computer for the time being. But let's say you try it's using that key on a different computer, which is the case with retail keys. Retail keys can be used on multiple computers but one at a time. So if you try reinstalling your operating system, or let's say you try installing it on a different system, then it won't work. And lastly, it may be a key for a different version. For example, it's not Windows 10 or Windows 11 that I'm talking about, because Windows 10 can easily be upgraded to Windows 11. But what if it is for a pro version or an education version or an enterprise version or a home version when you wanted an enterprise version? So this case will be very difficult for you. Thus, we recommend you to buy genuine retail Microsoft keys, Windows keys. Do not buy the cheap ones which are available on various websites which you can Google through. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. And if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.